Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, guys. And right now, I will be listening to a song which has just dropped. This is from Ajit's upcoming film Vida Moyache, and this song is called Pati Kichu. I hope that's how it's pronounced, Pati Kichu or Pati Kichu. I'll understand once I listen to the song. So, of course, music given by Anirudh. So, let's not delay this any further. This is a lyric video, but this is getting distributed by Sony Music South. So, when you use their reaction screen, obviously they block it. So, you would probably be seeing the reaction screen as completely blurred out. Just giving that disclaimer. So, yes, let's listen to this song right away. Is it the same one that is playing in the trailer? Of course, there are no subtitles, so I won't be able to understand the lyrics. But the picture. It's the same song. Yeah, in the trailer. Yes. I was waiting for the song to drop after watching the trailer.
Hey, perseverance. That's what I'm talking about, G. You feel me? Check it. Let's go.
What a song.
Ain't never backing down, fam, no matter. I'm sticking to plan, ain't settling for nothing less than a historic victory. Just isn't me to lose my grip and let things be my destiny. Just testing me, I've got so much more left in me. Yo, I'ma keep pushing. Impossible is the word I'm ready for this mission. Yeah, my will is serving hella unrelenting, putting in the work 24/7 in the fall, winning. After your opinion, rain and shine, I'm on fire all season. Better watch out, this a hard route. You ain't never gonna see me rock out.
Awesome. I'm so hyped for this movie, man. Vocals by Anirudh only. Rap by Amol Balaji. Let me stop this. Excellent. You know, when I had watched the trailer, I had said this thing immediately that, oh my god, I'm waiting for this song drop. So today, actually, the plan was to listen to another song which had already released for Vida Moyache. So, but then this dropped and this came into my recommendation. I was like, okay, this is the new song, so let me just listen to this one. And it turned out to be the one which I was waiting for, and this song is everything that I was imagining it to be. It has a great beat production. Now, when it comes to the meaning of the lyrics, obviously you guys can just summarize it for me. The rap part, obviously I understood because it was in English. But The beat production was amazing. I loved the energy of the song. It has a great rhythm to it. It's curated really well. You know, the way all the instrumentals are blending in so well with that guitar, the violin part, then the rhythm, then the way Anirudh, and there was another singer with him. Let me just open the credits. Um, where is it? So vocals by Anirudh and Yogi Shekhar. So both of them. So that harmonizing was also very well done. Then the rap by Amog, right? Yes. So rap by Amog Balaji. I think he just brought in so much style, and just his cadence was phenomenal in this. I think a huge shout out to Anirudh also, because as listeners, I know what is the expectation set. Like, we as listeners expect a lot, like a lot from Anirudh in terms of him producing the music and giving really, really amazing songs. And he has barely disappointed me. At least personally, I'm saying, ever since I've started listening to Anirudh's music, it's always been extremely consistent quality music, and obviously fitting with the mood and the genre of the film. He has delivered. It's never been like subpar for me, at least. So to maintain that kind of consistency and delivering this music, it's phenomenal. You guys let me know how is the other song like. Of course, I'll make a reaction to it because I've not heard it yet, but this one was everything that I was expecting it to be after I had heard a glimpse of it in the trailer. I loved the energy, I loved the beat production, I loved the rhythm. It's just such a song that it'll pump you up completely. It just gives you that feeling that, okay, you are the main character. Like, it gives the main character feeling. Like, you listen to it and you feel that, yes, you are the main character, you are invincible. It's that kind of a song, at least sound wise. And the way they are singing, the way the rap is, the flow was, the cadence was, it sounded like that. Now, I cannot obviously comment on the lyrics because I did not understand. There were no translations given here, but it still gives you that very, very invincible kind of feeling. So I completely enjoyed it. The video was also made very well. Of course, I'm sure you will not be able to see it because of late whatever music that I'm putting out reactions of from Sony Music, it's getting blocked if I'm putting out the reaction screen. So I will have to blur it out completely. But the lyric video itself is amazing. So I enjoyed it thoroughly. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And with that, I will end this video here, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.